We'll guide you through how to make a Gamepass in Please Donate mobile. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So I've just gone and joined Please Donate, and you can go and see I've claimed a stand, but I've got no donation buttons, meaning I can't get donations. To go and make one, press the Roblox icon in the top left, and we need to go and press leave and confirm my decision. Go to the bottom right and press more. You then need to go and scroll down and find the option for create. Press the three lines in the top left and you want to go and press dashboard, come into your experiences and you have a place here which says your name. You want to go and tap on it. You may need to tap it twice. Press the three lines in the top left, scroll down to monetization and press passes. Scroll down and press create a pass. What you can do is optionally add a photo and a description. You will need to have to add a name. Then scroll down and press create pass and you've created it. Go and tap on it. You may need to tap it twice and press the three lines in the top left and then press sales. Switch on item for sale as then it will be added as a button. Type in the price. This will also be the donation amount. I'll make that 25 and we can then press save changes. That's it. Now return to Please Donate. I'm claiming this stand here and you'll go and see we now have a donation button.